Guys, on this short video, I'm going to show you how you can drive traffic from Pinterest to your website and do what? Make money. So how can you do this? So the first thing that you have to do is that you need to have your own website where you are blogging about product and service, tools, softwares that people are in demand of. Once you have created that your blog post on that your official website, what you have to do is to now optimize that your blog for SEO. So once you have optimized it for SEO, which means you are going to be getting free traffic from Google search engine to that your website, and if people are interested on that your website, they are going to click on the product that you added on that your website. It can be affiliate link, it can be your online course, it can be online course of people that you know that you are creating like partnership with, and in return you are going to get compensated. So that is the type of blog that you can create and start generating revenue from that type of product or service. So how can Pinterest now come in and make you money, like make you more money, even while you are already making money from Google search engine? So look how it works. The first thing that you have to do is to go to Pinterest. You need to create your Pinterest account. Once you have created your Pinterest account, you can convert that your personal Pinterest account into a business Pinterest account. Once you have this your account, what you need to do is to set up your profile, adding bio, adding a username. If you want to use your own personal name, you can do that. To just depend on what you want to use, but you need to make sure that your account is active and verified. So once you have done this, the next thing you have to do is to start publishing pin on Pinterest. So what you have to do now is to go to that your website and look at the blogs that you have created. Take idea from there of type of pin that you can go and create on Canva, so that you can go and publish this your pin on Pinterest. Then it's going to now, you are going to be driving traffic from Pinterest to that your own website. When people click on your Pinterest pin, it's going to take them to your website and they are going to purchase, either use the service that you are reviewing on that your own website. It's simple as ABCD. So that is how you can use Pinterest to drive traffic to that your website and make money with it in return by doing this. This is one of the simple business that you can start from the comfort of your home. Even if you don't have any money, you don't have any investment, you can do this. Why am I saying this? I know you'll be saying, but to have a website, I need to pay money to have my own website. I want to let you know today that you can create your website for 100% free without you paying any money. So you can go and watch this, my video that's going to pop up right now. It's going to show you step by step on how you can create your own website for 100% free. Once you have created your own website, what you have to do is to go and create your Pinterest account. Once you have created your Pinterest account, or maybe let's just say, for example, you don't know how to create your Pinterest account, I have even made a video that is going to show you step by step on how you can create your Pinterest account. You can click on this video here to go and create your Pinterest account. So now that you know everything that you need to do on this video, everything is on you now to go and take the step on how you can start making money from your blogging website with Pinterest. So I hope that this video is very helpful to you. And if it's very helpful, I want you to leave me a comment in the comment section, share this video and like. I want to repeat something again. Let us say, for example, you are struggling of what type of product or service that you can start promoting on that your blogging website. You can start with affiliate marketing products. Join affiliate programs and start using them to promote products and service from that your own website. Let us say, for example, you can go to this platform which is called CJ. CJ is one of the affiliate platform that have a lot of product and service that you can promote. Another affiliate program that you can go and start promoting their product and service is Amazon Associates. You can go and join it and start promoting product as an affiliate on Amazon Associates. You can join Impact. Impact is one of the platforms that I have used, but Impact did something that I was not happy with. I made a lot of money on Impact and they refused to pay me my money, saying that my traffic is invalid, which was a big lie because all my traffic is from YouTube and my own website, which is even showing on their platform where the traffic is coming from. So I don't know why they are blocking my money, but those are the platforms that you can go and use to start promoting their service. And if you are able to sell any product on that your website with Pinterest, you are going to make money. So that is everything I want to share on this video, guys. Only what I want from you right now is to just hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. I will see you guys on my next upcoming video, a way on how you can make money online from the comfort of your home. Peace and see you soon.